Why do we do that?
Yeah.
What would that benefit you as a driver? So a lot of meeting and clearance in this road. Excellent. Good. Stop now. When you're facing, and this is important, whenever you're facing meeting situation and you can't go, give yourself about 1 car's length stopping distance from the front car. That car is really far away, so try go around it, check your mirrors. Again is my way of teaching. Think about like a frog jumping. So if you got a safe gap over there, you could use this gap, or you could use the other gap as well, like this, and stop. Now, does it make sense?
Yes.
So whenever you have got a safe gap, use it. So the car was really far away. We could have gone and used that blue car gap over there as well, isn't it? That's it. Good. If you are facing a meeting situation in a narrow road like this one, like we did, that means you have got the parked cars on our side of the road. Means you now know that you cannot give 1 door's length width from the parked car. That's one thing. Or even if you have calculated that yes, you can go less than 1 meter if you want to go very, very slow. But at that point, you can't even go slow. It's going to impede the oncoming traffic, correct?
Yeah.
If you're going to stop before this car, what is a better option? Stop really close to the front car, or give yourself a 1 car length? What do you think?
Stop 1 car length.
Why do we do that?
Why do we do that?
Think about your side. Think about yourself.
Yeah.
What would that benefit you as a driver?
It's just easier for me to come out, isn't
That's it. 2 options. Easier for you to come out. So when you come out, you will be able to maintain a meter and your view will be better as well. So that's 100% if you can. It can be less than 1 car, but not too close. That's very important. But that's on a meeting and clearance. But if you are driving on a road and the traffic ahead, so we're not overtaking anyone, we're just moving with the traffic, and they're stopping because of the red light or is busy. When you're stopping at that time, how much distance we maintain from the front car? What do we say? 2 words. So let's say you're driving right now, traffic light gone red, and this car is stopping, you have to stop.
Tire and tarmac.
That's it.
Yeah.
Because that time, we don't want to give 1 car, tires and tarmac, because we don't want to overtake anyone. So in case of that car roll back or any emergency vehicle, you can move a little bit. And that's what people need to differentiate, which people don't differentiate though.